Today my presentation topic is Metacritic game reviews because I'm a big fan of games. Firstly, see the data graph. This is this graph shows users review about the game Portal 2. It's about 20 users. And 15 users gave the 100 scores. And next is the mp4 distribution graph. As we can see, this graph shows 5 platforms. The most popular is PC, is over the 40,000 reviews, and second is PlayStation 4, is over the 35,000. And then is game distribution graphs. As the graph shows, the most popular game is The Legend of Zelda. And second is Super Mario 3D Land. And third is The Witcher 2. And the next topic is score distribution. And as the graph shows, we can see it's over the 40,000 reviews. It's on the 80 to 90 scores. Next, we can see the mean, max, and min scores. The mean score is about 74, and a maximum score is 100, and min score is 0. And top 20 games. So number 1 is Red Dead Redemption 2. The second is The Legend of Zelda: Breath of the Wild. And third is Grand Theft Auto 5. And next is best game review. So this graph shows the reviews. The last one is the award card. This is just a picture. So in the conclusion, is PC and PS4 and Xbox are popular platform for games, and Red Dead Redemption 2 may be the best game. So thanks for listening.
All right, cool, thank you.
Thank you.
So there's a couple of things here I want to ask you about.
Yeah.
While we've got this stuff on the screen. You've got Legend of Zelda is first in one of the rankings and second in the other ranking. I was wondering what were the two rankings? Could you explain that again? What were they measuring? Is one of them the most reviews and the other one's the score, or what?
It's
game?
The score.
Okay, so that one's score, and the other one is, what's the other one then? The other one that's got Zelda in it.
This one?
I don't know. You have two graphs that have Zelda in them. One of them has Zelda as first, and the other one has Zelda as second. And I just wondered what the two graphs were actually measuring.
These two Zelda is actually two different games.
They're two different Zeldas.
Yeah, it's two versions. Yeah.
Oh, one of them's Breath of the Wild. Okay, and so that's popularity of game, or that's score of game. So what? Okay, so that's averaging the score. What's the first one measuring? That's what I'm just trying to work out what the two things are doing.
Okay. The first one is game reviews. Most game user reviews.
Oh right, okay. So even if it got bad reviews, like if it was like Bob the Builder Goes Massacring, it would get, if it got a lot of reviews, it would be high in this score. Whereas the other one, it would be very low because it got bad reviews.